Hey, I'm Nisha, head of social media at Cross Hotels and Resorts. I'm also a free diver, and over the past 2 years, diving has not only become a passion, but is a wake-up call. When you spend a lot of time underwater, you already start to notice how sensitive our ocean systems are. The more I dove, the more I realized how much garbage and pollution are impacting marine life, like these turtles and the habitats they relied on. So we decided to act. Before every dive, we gather to clean up the beach or swim around to pick up debris. It's a small step, but it's meaningful. And it's not just about what we do, it's about spreading the message to everyone around us. Whether it's tourists, local, or the boat crew, we believe that by being active and sharing our effort, we can encourage others to help out too. Together, we can restore these beautiful places from planting mangrove to helping marine life recover. Small steps, big change. Let's come together and be the difference our world needs.